Hello, welcome back. A little bit of a different style of video today, also different setup. I have it in a different spot this time because I wanted to have the table this way because I was going over some of the footage from like my older videos and I noticed that the camera it kept focusing on the shit that was like really close to it. So that way, this way, I can have everything in frame without the camera focus getting all fucked up. So yeah, and honestly, I like this setup more anyways. So today, it's not really going to be like a crazy eating challenge. I mean, for some people this might be a challenge, but this is a pretty normal meal for me in all honesty. This should be absolutely no problem getting down. This is just, I say a few items, but it's practically the entire Chick-fil-A breakfast menu. And full disclosure, I've never tried Chick-fil-A breakfast. I've tried Chick-fil-A. It's not bad. It's good. But I've never tried their breakfast. So I was thinking, I'm like, might as well just review a bunch of items on the breakfast menu. The strawberries aren't from Chick-fil-A. These are from Trader Joe's, actually. Shameless plug. But like, it's not really a plug because I'm not like, they don't pay me or anything. I just like Trader Joe's products, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna basically go through all these items and kind of just tell y'all what I think. I don't know if you've never tried Chick-fil-A breakfast, maybe this will be a good video for you. But let's start. I don't know where I want to start. Burrito? Huh? Yeah, okay, burrito it is. All right, let's try this fucking burrito. Oh, there's chicken nuggets in here. That's kind of a weird choice for a breakfast item. Not bad. I think the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to try everything once, and then I'm going to just run it back and just go through everything at the end, you know? So everything gets like a fair shot. It's not bad. Nothing crazy good though. Like, it's a burrito. It's good. All right, let's get into these biscuits. I'm just now realizing this. So I ordered all three of the biscuits and all three of the I was gonna say McMuffins. This ain't McDonald's. All three muffins, but they gave me 2 sausage, egg, and cheese muffins instead of 1 muffin and 1 sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. But I'm not really gonna complain. It's basically the same thing, you know. Just one of them's a biscuit, one of them's like a oh, this isn't even, this is the I don't even know which one this is. Whatever. But yeah, one of them, because I was doing the math. I have 4 muffins and 2 biscuits. I should have 3 of each, but so they duplicated one of them when they weren't supposed to. But like I said, it's not that big of a deal. We're just gonna enjoy this anyways. So I think this looks like the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. So let's try this. Okay. That's good. So far, this is definitely better than the burrito. Alright. Get some napkins. Be right back. Alright. Now we can continue. Okay, so that was the sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Next up, I think we're gonna get into the bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a bacon, egg, and cheese because there's bacon in it. So this is something else and I don't know what it is. The bacon tastes off. It tastes like almost fake. Not like a bad way, but it tastes like very fast foody, if that makes any sense. It doesn't taste like freshly cooked bacon. Not bad. Alright. Ooh. This one, I'm kind of excited to try. Because the macros on this are pretty good. This is the egg white griller. You know what I'm talking about? It's the one with the egg whites in it. So I'm going to give this a try. Okay. Alright. That's fire. Okay. No. Up next, the sausage, egg, and cheese muffin, not biscuit. We tried the biscuit already. This is the muffin. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, here it is. I think they gave me 2 of these by accident. Or then, wait, what the fuck? Bro, this order's all over. You know what, I don't even care at this point. Like, I ordered 9 items, I still got 9 items, so like, at the end of the day, like, I don't really care that much. It's pretty tasty so far. Oh. Tastes basically the same as the biscuit, but with a muffin. So yeah, not bad. Let's get into this side over here. Oh, here it is. Okay, this one's got bacon in it. This is the bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, bacon, egg, and cheese muffin. Let's see how it is. Yeah, basically the same. Okay. Now, I don't know why I ended up with. Oh, I think I know what I was supposed to get instead. This is the spicy chicken muffin. Oh no, spicy chicken egg and cheese biscuit. This is chicken. I think I ordered like another chicken, egg, and cheese biscuit, but they gave me another muffin instead, so whatever. It's basically the same thing, and I know what the biscuits taste like, so I feel like it's not that big of a deal. Well, let's give this one a try. Oh. Yeah. That hits. The chicken and egg combo, fucking fire. Oh yeah. Of course, we got some hash browns too. Yo, those hash browns slap. Oh wow. Alright, I think I'm gonna start with the burrito. Because out of everything I tried, this was definitely not the best. Not bad, but not the best. Well, no. They didn't give me any sauce. I'm serious, they gave me no sauce. It's kind of fucked up. And they messed my order up too, so that might be a sign to not go to Chick-fil-A again. Whatever. I was never the biggest Chick-fil-A fan to begin with. We gotta get some fruit going. Come on. That tastes so good after all the salt. And it's good for you too. Come on now. Gotta eat your fruit. Back to the action. You know what's funny? It's 12:39 right now. I don't know if you can see that, but this has been in the oven for like the last couple of hours. I've just been letting keeping it warm because this isn't my first meal of the day. It was a rest day from the gym today, so I just did like 90 minutes of cardio. I had some egg whites, some spinach, kind of like a light snack, just to like prime my stomach. Went for a little walk, let that shit digest. So now I'm getting into this meal. So I found that I get very irritable if I just don't eat. So I need to eat something. Even if I'm doing like a food like mukbang / challenge later, I still try to eat something during the day leading up to it, because then I just feel like shit if you're not eating anything, you know. Not sure which one I want next. We should do this one. It is right here. How long has it been? Oh. Hasn't even been like 5 minutes. That's crazy. I feel like I've been talking forever now. But overall, I would say maybe if they got my order correct, I would have given it like a Chick-fil-A breakfast 8.5 out of 10. But since they fucked my order up, I give them like an 8. It's a solid breakfast. Like honestly, like if I was in a pinch, and if I needed something to eat like for breakfast, let's say I didn't prep my meal or something, and I was on the road, I would not mind coming here for breakfast. This is pretty good as far as like fast food breakfast goes. A hell of a lot better than McDonald's, I'll tell you that much. The strawberries pair really well with it. I should have got some donuts with this. I would, you know, they're still open for like another 2 hours. Maybe after this, you know, pause the video or like obviously start recording, walk down to the donut shop, get some donuts. Very salty, but that's to be expected with fast food in general, you know, so that shouldn't be a surprise to me. Those really help the flavor fatigue, because like, for some reason, that the flavor fatigue always gets me before like I'm actually like full for the most part. But I mean, so like these are actually pretty good. Like, I'm gonna save you till the end. These hash browns are fire. I like these. Damn. It's about to start fucking raining again. We had sunny weather for like a week straight, and it's over now. Like even today, the sun's probably only gonna be out for like another couple hours, and it's gonna start to rain again. That's fucked. These muffins are hard to chew. Reminds me of like the pizza crust. Fucking jaw pump again. Yeah. Try to keep my face clean throughout the entire duration of it. I don't want to gross anyone out, you know. We're down to the last few bites here. That went by quick. I should have got a little bit more. I either overestimate how much I can eat, or I underestimate. There's no middle ground. But honestly, between you and me, I like doing these style of videos more. Where I kind of just like, it's not like a challenge. It's kind of just, I like to, you know, put a bunch of stuff on the table. It's just like, kind of try it and then eat whatever I can, you know. I like doing those more. It's more enjoyable for me. I don't know, what do you guys want to see? I don't know if you're here to see like actual food challenges, or like if you're cool with seeing this style of video. Let me know, because I do enjoy doing these style of videos a lot more. If you're wondering why those are here, it's because they have a fruit cup on the menu. But I'm not about to pay for a fruit cup when I got fruit at home already. You know, come on now. Well, I think this might sound crazy. I think my favorite item on the breakfast menu is these fucking hash browns right here. These are delicious, yo. Wow. That's good. Burrito was okay. The chicken and egg biscuit, that was fire. That was really good. But yeah, overall, not a bad breakfast menu. I'd eat it again. Maybe not this much, but yeah, I'd get it again sometime. Oh, if you're wondering what the total weight was, the Chick-fil-A was a little over 3.4 pounds, and I had a pound of strawberries on top of that, so about 4.4 pounds. Rookie numbers, I know. I can do better, but do I really want to do better? You know, I don't really enjoy being that full. It's fun every now and then, but this is a lot more enjoyable for me to do. I don't mind doing these style of videos where I don't eat like crazy fucking big ass portions, but like I kind of just eat and like talk to you guys and shit like that. But like for real, let me know, like, you know, what do you want to see? Is anyone here actually here for like fitness content? I want to know too, like, because I can make some like, you know, cool recipe videos that I personally use to like lose a little bit of weight, especially after like eating a ton of food like this, when I can pull the calories down a little bit. But yeah, seriously, let me know what you want to see. Oh, excuse me. I'm open to suggestions too. You know, this is ultimately just for fun at the end of the day. So, you know, I'm open to trying new things. Let me know. These hash browns are fucking good, dude. I didn't want to do dishes, so that's why they're paper plates. That was fun. That was very enjoyable, but I definitely had fun doing this one. But what do you guys want me to review next? Or try next? Well, let's see, I've done In-N-Out, sushi, pizza, burritos, sandwich, big ass sandwich, and now Chick-fil-A. I don't know. What's next? What is next? I respond to all the comments, so like, you know, leave anything. Honestly, all the comments help the algorithm. Like, even if you like leave like, fuck you dude, you suck ass, that's a good ass comment. That helps me, like, believe it or not. I know it sounds crazy, but all comments do help. Yeah. Oh, that was delicious. Real talk, that was fucking good. Definitely gonna bring some donuts in for the next one, whatever that is. Wrap it up here. Wow. Okay. Well, that has been it for the trying Chick-fil-A breakfast for the first time. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And, you know, like I said, seriously, give me some, like, suggestions down in the comment box, you know, because, like, I do this for fun because I'm bored. So, like I said, like, I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to criticism. So, go ahead and type some shit down there. See you next time.